Agero kanyo ni rio makare kama mura maintiera ka uturo ni makende marwa kikeno ni machigri mar yudo weche manyien magwa mag podho Chieng ka weche gikelo ni kodan Brenda Agenyo. Wachako kanyo gi kama mane en jalupa jatend piny owacho kendo jatend wano buch siasa no mar DCP Migosi Rigathi Gachagua kawuro ri wuok oko tung' mosuo koda ka jatend piny Kenya Laktar William Ruto
refuse to be silenced, unintimidated or corrupted by the state, live under perpetual fear, intimidation and daily threats from the state machinery. Media houses that are firm on their independent editorial policy have not been spared either.
La Pincinero, Marja Buramaki, Somo County, Kata Women Representative, Manamika Ruta Diambordinga, no Wokokon, Kendo Jolo Joala Como Pogre, Mabene Udore, a Chimbo Manero, Madumaki Somo, Anyata Joanda Swekra, Mabene Udregweko, Magjuakali. Enokang mapi sinero mar Mikeruto Dinga ne okaw mar jolo eli market code mano ayeto kokalo
continue every year in year out waiting for handouts. We can only do that, and let me tell you, Juakali is also the route we can go with our youth. These youth don't
Gina groups market milimani group mash kaloleni shaurimoyo.
Migosi Edward Nyango, Bob CEO no dhi nyime kod kwedo malich mokalo paro moro ma sirkand kaunti ma Kisumo owacho ni nitiere go mar biro daro johala go eko anyeto matimo ohandgi e chiro no ero ma Kibuye.
Omiyo nyaka mami sane wan gi shida maduong'
maber kod mano gi eki mabedo noredhe lwetgi kod Mikael Rutha Diambordinga pod ngimagi onyal lokre e ndalo go eko mabiro. Ne Kala TV koke Kisumu County and Justice
Moko kuom jo od bura ma bende koro to siro piny owacho wuok e kaunti no ma Kisii wuok oko mar wacho ne jopiny makono mondo mi obi osir lwedo Laktar William Ruto dwaro mare mar bedo kere ondamo mar ariyo mane yiero mabiro e higa manyien kane giloso jotelogo kamoting'o jo od bura ma Kitutu North mano
tafadhali nataka tumshikilie rais wetu William Ruto na mimi nawauliza swali, mnataka rais akuje Nyaribari Masaba aweze kuleta maendeleo hapa? Muko tayari tulete rais? Mnakubali? Alete maendeleo, alete stima, alete maji, alete barabara, ajenge masoko
na mauti nyingine ambao utapewa wao utaenda nunua kama chakula nyumbani.
Zile masufuria pamoja na masahani hizo pia watakodisha ili wajiletee kipato. Na zile machines hawa wataseti machines waoshe magari wajipatie kipato ili
so that they are more involved for us to get the buy-in and the support that we need in the transformation that is being led by
community oral health is not and shall not be a dentist. You know, this country, we now it is Afya House.
Issues of discipline, issues that have been reported, but also these officers are mistreated whenever they go to those facilities. We want to ensure that there is a clear procedure when someone has been found guilty. You don't just find them guilty and send them away from the hospital.
We have 6,000 healthcare workers being sent to counties to actually offer services, and the inter-coordinators from counties are not here to ensure that these people actually are there. The same way, when we have collective bargaining agreements signed, the ministry will do its part, the way they've done for us as doctors. But then the implementation fails in the counties. That's why now, as we speak, we have 6 strikes in the counties. And we may have more in the coming days.
I have resolved the issue of the UHT staff, and I want to make it very categorical that the budget of 8.9 billion is in the budget to transit them from